Hey there everybody, Bill Jr. here for Four Seasons Kanga Roof, and kicked out another blog answering one of the biggest questions that we get all the time, which is how long will my roof last, or how long should my roof last, or when should I replace my roof? And when you look at the studies in the state of Michigan, the average roof is replaced after 17 and a half years. So if you're looking at it from a statistical standpoint, according to the manufacturers and the rate of replacement based on building permits, it's about 17 and a half years. However, we don't agree with that because the product has improved greatly over the last 30 years. Unfortunately, we haven't seen that same increase in the life cycle. People are still replacing their roofs. So why is that? The single biggest reason is that people are hiring the wrong guys. I don't have a nice way to say that. They're hiring people, and when people are looking at their proposals, they're looking at it going, same shingle, and then letting somebody do the roof. So, hiring the wrong contractor and fundamentally not having the roof installed according to code, bringing the ventilation up, that's the number one thing that's killing the roofing industry, or killing roofs and making them be replaced sooner than they should be. What I would tell you is it really depends. As a general rule of thumb, I would be expecting to get at least 25 years out of any roof that I installed, whether it's a flat roof, a shingle roof. Now there are variables in that, and the single biggest one, as I started with, it varies, is what's the product, right? So if you do something like a metal or a composite roof, I would be telling you you should be looking at no less than about a 40-year to 50-year life cycle on that. You do a really basic builder grade shingle, yeah, you're in that 20 to 25-year range. Flat roofing, like an EPDM or a TPO, that roof should easily go 20 years, probably 25, depending on the millage or how thick it is. And then you can get crazy and start talking about putting on silicone coatings, which is technically repair. We might be able to get that rubber roof to go 30, 35, 40 years. So, how long should your roof last? General rule of thumb, 20 to 25 years. Beyond that, it really gets into, was it installed right? Did you hire the right person? And what's the material actually being installed? The better the material, the longer it should last, with certain ones going well beyond 50 years. I hope this helps. I hope this clarifies things and gives you a little better understanding, hopefully, of what is driving this. If it is, give us a call. 586-566-0308. That's the phone number. Our team would love to help you. Plus, never forget we have that great online estimator, so you can get a ballpark before we even have somebody come out there. Once again, hope you have a kangarific day. Can't wait to talk to you soon.